Your brother pick up, yeah, that's a tea time. Welcome back to Tea Time with Lidless, guys. Today I'm spending a little time in this garden, and I would love for you guys to stay with me, stick by me right here. So, watch this. As you can see, there's a lot of unwanted bush that has taken over this garden, and it is time for me to clear them out. So, between the weeds, you will see my thyme and the pineapple and other plants that are here. So farming isn't really easy. It's not an easy thing to do, but you got to do it because we have to plan to survive. Every bit of the work is helpful to produce, right? So let's get right into it. Please remember to guys to like, share, subscribe, and to leave a comment. As I start reading, you will notice how quickly the bush can take over a garden if you don't keep up with it. The weeds competing with the good plants for water, sunlight, and nutrients from the soil. If I don't take them out, my thymes and my pineapple and the other crops that I have in here won't have the strength to grow properly. Every time I pull out a weed, I'm making space for a good plant to spread their roots and to get strong. It can be, hard work at times, but there's also something peaceful about it. Being out here in the fresh air with the sound of the breeze, with the birds singing, and seeing the land come back together, it reminds me of how much my husband and I love farming. And Lady Grant, not you too. Let's talk about one of my favorite plants in this garden. Guys, guess which one? I love to use it to make tea. It is the thyme. Jamaican thyme is used in almost every dish, whether it's seasoning chicken, cooking soup, or even to make my favorite, a cup of tea. This little herb is powerful. It doesn't need much, but it does need space. And that's the reason why I have to work on this garden today because I saw where my thymes were, you know, kind of like not spreading their wings the way they're supposed to, their limbs or their wings, their limbs the way that they were supposed to, and it kind of like they were suffering. And I got these time as gift, and I really want to take care of them. All right. Over here you can see pineapple. Yeah, look right over there. So pineapple plants taking a long time to grow, sometimes up to years or more before you get one fruit. But once they come, it's worth every bit of patience. Guys, this plant here really teach us patience. The pineapple crown goes into the soil, and with care, with like water and time, it grows into something sweet and refreshing. That's just like life. Sometimes the best things take patience. Farming teaches us, to wait, how to nurture, and to trust the process. Guys, trust the process. You can see how the weeds are crowding around by pulling them out and giving the thymes and the scallion, especially this scallion that you see here, room to breathe and grow. A good branch of scallion in the kitchen goes a long way, and the time and every single thing here, they have their purpose. They has good health. They have good health benefits too, helping with cold digestion and even boosting the immune system. Like everything here, even the lime tree that I have here, you can use the lime leaf. No, you can use them. There's no lime on the tree as yet, but you still can use the leaves to make tea. This is the reason, one of the reasons why herbs are such a blessing to us here in Jamdong, because we use our herbs a lot. Farming isn't just about crops, it's also about life lesson. Every weed I pull remind me that in life we also have things we need to remove. Bad habits, negative thoughts, or anything that blocks us from growing. Just like these plants, we need space, light, and nourishment to reach our full potential. That's why I believe farming and faith goes hand in hand. The land teaches you to trust God, to keep working, and to never give up, even when it feels like the weeds are too many. Some days work is heavy, but every little effort makes a difference. As I continue to weed out this garden, guys, I am reminded, because sometimes you have to encourage yourself, that farming is a blessing, and it is indeed a blessing. Even when it is tough, every drop of sweat, every pull weed that you'll take from your garden, and every planted seed is an investment in the future. If you are watching this and you feel like giving up, whether it's on your farm, on your dream, or on life itself, remember this, guys. The harvest always comes after the work. You may not see your results right away, but keep going. Just like this time, scallion and the pineapple that I have in here, and all the other crops, your blessing are growing. even if you are hiding under the soil for now. Your consistency and my consistency may be different. You can be going every day and I can be going every year. That doesn't mean that I'm giving up on my dream. Don't give up on your dream. Now that I've cleaned away some of the unwanted bush, the garden is looking much better. The thymes, the pineapple, and my scallion and all the other crops that are here know they have the space they need to thrive. Thank you for spending this time with me in this garden today. Farming may be hard work, but it's filled with lessons, peace, and plenty of blessings. If you have enjoyed Jamaica farm life and you love herbs and you love country living, please subscribe to this channel, Tea Time with Lady Liz. Don't forget to join me every day from now until the year ends. I'll be putting out a video, doing a live on different tea that Jamaica has. Be also doing farm videos and little shorts. So please look out for those where we can talk about herbs, farming, and feed. This is the channel for that. Until next time, guys, let's sip together. Drink up, drink up. Search for your natural herbs. Clean up your garden. God bless. Blessing all the time.
Is the greatest power we shall never